Hey, Randy Cupcake, Organic Farms, Texas City. We did the question earlier, what do you put basil on? And one of y'all had said, well, listen to me, y'all, I sound like a southerner, don't I? Had mentioned on your pizza. And ironically, just before that had come in, my wife, who's holding the camera, she's like, I want pizza for dinner. We're making homemade pizza. And I said, well, let's try the basil. So I'm going to pick a few of these. How many would you like?
4, 5.
4 it is. All right. Look at this beautiful basil plant. We're going to pause it and head on inside. So here we go. This is our homemade pizza. We get our own bread and big old fat pepperonis. And I just rinsed them off. And oh my gosh, look at that. That's fresh basil. Folks, if you could smell that, oh my goodness, your noses would be just going cuckoo. Oh, I love it. You ready? Mm-hmm. Let's get it right in the oven. Is it ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
Top or bottom?
Bottom.
Bottom, right. Oh man. We would let you know what it tastes like, but there's not going to be anything left.